Ever feel like you're doing a decent job tracking your money, only to realize later you've been bleeding cash on subscriptions or random small purchases? That's exactly where I was. I check my account balance regularly, but the real issue wasn't the number, it was what was happening behind the scenes. So, what are the few Rocket Money alerts that genuinely turned the corner for me and helped me watch my spending like a hawk? For me, it came down to 3 core alerts that were game changers for a first-person spending battle. 1. The low balance alert. This one seems obvious, but it's the foundational block. My problem wasn't overdrafts, but a psychological one. I'd see a comfortable balance and think I had more cushion than I actually did, leading to impulse buys. I set the low balance alert for a number that was significantly higher than my bank's minimum to avoid fees. I'm talking hundreds of dollars. The alert is a hard mental stop. When I see that notification, it's an immediate, red flag reminder that my safe-to-spend money is running low, not that I'm about to hit zero. It makes me stop and review the rest of the day's spending plans. No fluff, just instant accountability before the spending happens. 2. The high spending alert, budget category alert. Before using this, I knew I spent too much on dining out, but I didn't know when to stop. Rocket Money's automated categorization is key here. I don't have time to manually track every latte. I set up a monthly budget for my notorious spending categories. Let's use dining out as the perfect example. I configured the alert to notify me when I hit 75% of that monthly budget. This is the most valuable alert for curbing bad habits. When that 75% alert hits, my approach instantly changes. It forces a budget check-in mid-month. Instead of mindlessly ordering delivery, I see the alert and pivot to cooking at home for the rest of the week. It translates abstract spending into a concrete, immediate action plan. It's the difference between seeing a final over-budget report and getting a real-time warning. 3. The recurring charge/subscription alert. This is the sneaky killer, and Rocket Money's automation is unmatched here. The app automatically flags any transaction it sees as recurring, from streaming services to that annual software license I forgot about. The best use of this alert isn't just for the initial discovery, it's the upcoming recurring charge alert. Getting a notification that a $150 annual charge for a service I barely use is hitting my account in 3 days is powerful. It gives me a crucial window to cancel it immediately within the app, or at least reevaluate before the money is gone. In my experience, this feature is where the app pays for itself. I was able to slash 3 forgotten subscriptions in the first month just because the app put the charge date right in front of me, forcing a "do I really need this?" decision. These 3, a high-low balance alert, a mid-month high-spending alert on my worst category, and the proactive upcoming recurring charge alert, are the essential trio. They shift the focus from passively reviewing past spending to actively managing future spending. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.